Morning students, today we'll discuss the chapter 15 Insight into Program Execution, topic 15.3 Understanding Translation Process. Before we discuss the two translator, first is the compiler and interpreter. Compiler is a collection of program that takes source code and convert it into machine code or binary code at one go. But interpreter converts source code into binary code or machine code by line. What is the source code? Source code refers to the original code written in programming language by the programmer, and machine code refers to the code converted into computer understandable form that computer can understand and directly executed, that is the in binary language in the form of 0 and 1. Then the compilation process. A compiler take the source code and then follow certain micro steps, mini steps, some steps. Total 4 steps are included in this process to produce low level code. The major step of compilation process are listed below. First is the processing, second is the compilation. Compilation is subdivided into two phases, analysis and synthesis. Third is the assembly, and fourth is the linking. Preparation of the conversion, first step is the pre-processing phase. This phase remove comments from the source code. Remove comments from the source code. What do you mean by the comments? Comments in high level language program are explanatory statements that any programmer include in source code. When we create any program, for example sum of two number, then we want to add x plus y. We say a sum equal to x plus y. We say x is the first number, y is the second number, and sum is used to store the addition of x and y. These statements written in English form in any high level language is called the comments. Explanatory notes. Explanatory notes means if you want to declare a variable, if you want to create a variable, then you explain these variable. For example, if we want to calculate simple interest, then we use simple interest equal to p into r into t divided by 100. Then p is the principal, r is the rate of interest, t is the time. This notation, p known as principal interest, r known as rate of interest, t stand for the time. These sentences are known as the comments. In these steps, all the comments written in high level language code are deleted from the program. Then all the character available inside any comments are ignored by high level language. At the end of this phase, the source code is completely ready for the next phase and no comments is available after the execution of these steps. Second is the compilation phase. This is the most important phase. This phase is subdivided into two categories, analysis and synthesis. Analysis. A program in this phase identify all the tokens. Most important word is the tokens. A program written in high level language contain the tokens. What do you mean by the tokens? Tokens means the keyword, identifier, variable, constant, operator. Operator means plus, minus, multiplication, division are included in the term tokens. In analysis phase, the compiler identifies these and collect all of these and store in a table known as symbol table. Compiler collect all the tokens. All the tokens means keyword, identifier, variable, constant, operator. Keywords mean the special word. Identifier, for example, we have taken the sum of two number x and y. X and y are the identifier. Variables, the identifier which can change their value. X and y can change their value is the variable. Constant, pi equal to this. The value of pi is fixed, so then that is the pi is constant, and operator is plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are included in the token, and all the token are collected by the analysis phase and stored in a special table called symbol table. The second step in this phase is synthesis. This step contain all the formulas. Consider the example 4 plus 5 plus 9. Then what is the answer? 4 multiplied by 5 plus 9. What is the answer? According to BODMAS rule, according to a mathematical BODMAS rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Then firstly we apply the multiplication. 4 multiplied by 5 equal to 20. Then plus 9, 20 plus 9 equal to 29. This is the procedure to do any to solve any expression. During this phase, the compilation apply the BODMAS formula and draw a tree. Tree means in the last corner bottom 4 multiplied by 5 is the first step, then plus 9, then is the plus 9. 4 multiplied by 5 20, then plus 9 equal to 9, that is the 29. This is the according to the BODMAS rule. During this process, the compilation, if syntax and semantics rule of programming language are found violated in source code, syntax and semantics. Syntax meaning the way of writing. Semantics mean the meaningful writing. Syntax mean the way of writing according to high level language rule are found violated. Then the compiler generate an error. If any syntax rule is violated, the compiler make the error and show on the screen. Programmer can convert error and recompile the correct code. The programmer correct the error indicated by the compiler on the screen, then recorrect the code and recompile the error. Once the code is error free, the compiler convert into intermediate code in the form of assembly language. The compiler, after correction of all the error, compiler convert this code into assembly level instruction. The third phase is the assembly phase. In this phase, the second phase gives the assembly level instruction. This phase convert this assembly level instruction into machine code. The most important is the assembly code to machine code. Machine code, or it may also called the object code. Object code means the code in the form of machine language, that is the 0 and 1. Linking, fourth step. After conversion of this object code, in this phase, binary code link with the libraries required by the program. In high level language, the number of functions, number of formulas, number of something operator related things are stored in different files. When we create a program, then we required number of files in the program. In fourth step, linking step, all the files required are linked with your program. After first is the assembly code, then is the object code in third step, and fourth step, in this object code all the linking of files are assumed and it convert into executable code. This is the final stage. The assembly code convert into object code, and then in fourth step, object code by linking of all the file is converted into executable code. This is the final step. And last, after this, the executable code in this phase loader, the executable code is loaded into memory for the execution of program, for the execution of source code. Once the source code is converted into executable code, there are no requirement of compiler after execution of the program. Please note, compiler work on the whole program. It convert all the lines of the code into object code, then to executable code. If there is error, the compiler won't produce to next subphase until the whole program is error free. There are the many languages use the compiler. First is the C, C++, and C sharp. And another language that use the interpreter are Python, Perl, and PHP. In the next topic, we will discuss the working of interpreter. Till you study this.